Hey guys, this is James JJPC Builds. I got you a new build, some brand new, some used parts, but mostly new. I got some really good deals on the case and the motherboard, and especially the 1TB SSD NVme. But it was great. I mean, it cost me $450.
Oh my god! Wow!
To build this whole computer, and I pretty much know that it can run any of the games that you want on 2024. I'm gonna go over the specs, all the parts that I got, the new parts, the used parts, and so you guys can go ahead and replicate something like this or similar. Maybe not the same case, but you know, something around the same price. That is gonna cost you around $650 to $700. I'm gonna go over this nice Western Digital black NVme 1TB drive.
Yeah, boy.
Which I got from Facebook Marketplace for only $40. I got it from the same guy that I bought the case from. He really gave me a good deal, so I couldn't say no. For the graphics card, I got these 3070 RTX Founders Edition. I got it from Facebook Marketplace for around $250.
Nice.
I am pretty sure you can find something like this on your local marketplace or maybe on eBay. I know they're going for $275, $250, $300, and this is a really good graphics card for the amount of games that you can play with it. This is the ad from Facebook Marketplace. He had it listed at $265, but I managed to get it lower to $250. For the CPU we're rocking in today, it's gonna be this AMD Ryzen 5 5600. I think it's a great CPU for the price. I especially got this one from AliExpress.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
And it cost me $87. This is the screenshot from AliExpress of what I paid for. The motherboard we have here today is an RTX A520i AC from Gigabyte. I got this motherboard from Amazon, from the Renew warehouse. I paid for this one $96 with taxes, and brand new goes for $109 plus taxes. I'm telling you, if I can do this build, you guys can do it too. For the power supply, I got this off Facebook Marketplace. It's the NWE 600 bronze from Cooler Master. I basically got this PCU for $40. I believe it retails for around $60. It's brand new. The guy said he bought it and he was gonna build something with it, but he never got to it, so he was just selling it. He had it listed for around $60. I ended up making him drop the price to $40, and it was a great deal. For the RAM, I have this Oloy brand from Amazon. It cost me, I think, $42 with taxes. They are brand new. As for the case, I got this Fractal Design from Facebook Marketplace. It's brand new. I got it for $75. I bought it from the same guy that sold me the NVme card. He gave me a great deal for it. This case is good for around $140 to $150, brand new if you find it. I wasn't specifically looking for this case, but when I saw it, I thought it was a great deal. I got these cable extensions from Amazon. The brand is called Techware. They were on sale for around $15. I think plus taxes is like $17. I'm gonna do my best to put all the links to the parts on the description, and hopefully you get to build something like this too. I forgot to mention that I was gonna go with a stock cooler for AMD, which I painted gray to match the computer aesthetics. This cost me $13.90 from eBay, and the spray paint was $6 from Home Depot. I also forgot to mention that I had to add a Thermalright 120mm fan RGB because the case did not come with it, so I had to improvise. I had ordered a box of this. They come in a pack of 3, and it cost me I think $14 from Amazon. The cable management took me a little longer than I thought. The power supply was not modular, so it was really hard to put all the cables away and stuff, but I think it came out pretty good, honestly.
You sure about that?
The only thing I don't like from this graphics card is that a stupid extension cord that you have to use so for you to be able to connect it to the power supply, because if not, you're not gonna be able to get any power to it. But it's annoying, it's black, it looks weird, but I mean, whatever. At the end, I think everything came out beautiful. The looks of these computers are amazing. The power on it, it's amazing as well. You can play any of the games on 2024 on high settings and they'll run great. So I would really recommend to build something like this. Hopefully I get to flip it soon and make some profit on it. I think I have some good high margin of profit with this computer, so wish me luck. I will be letting you guys know how much I sold it for and how much was my profit. As you guys can see, I did run some benchmarks and I got a pretty good score on superposition. On high to ultra settings, I got around 120 to 156 FPS, and I think that's pretty good, honestly. I got a score of 17,964. You can't beat that for this price. I also did some benchmarks on 3D Tank Spy, and I got a score of 12,700, I believe, and I was having 89 to 100 FPS. I also tested Call of Duty Warzone, and I know I suck at this game, but I was getting great FPS on high ultra settings, and the game actually ran pretty smooth, as you guys can see.
Emotional, damn it!
Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here with this last clip. You guys can see how the game runs and how it performs.